I had written this book and I was traveling the country, and I stopped in Los Angeles, where I was picked up by my son and my then 5-year-old grandson, Deepak Chopra, whose mother is Chinese American. So we call him the Chindian, and he's a little precocious. We also refer to him as the master race, 2/3 of the human population between China and India. So when I got out of baggage claim, this little boy, my little Chindian, looks at me and he says, Dada, which is the Indian word for grandfather on the father's side. He says, what is dark energy? That's an interesting question coming from a 5-year-old. I said, what do you know about dark energy? And he said, it flows through the night sky. I said, that's beautiful. What else do you know about it? It's 70% of the universe. You see why I think he's a very precocious fellow. Anyway, we got out of the airport and we were driving by Santa Monica. I rolled down the window, we could see the ocean. He turns to me again and he says, how did they make the ocean? How did you make the ocean? They. No, that's not legit question. You have to tell me what you mean by they. He thought for a bit and reframed the question. How did the ocean get made? It got made the same way as the earth. We split off a giant star, lots of little pieces of dust and water, and we call that the solar system. Do you know how many planets there are in the solar system? Well, if you count Pluto, there are 9, but a lot of people don't think Pluto is a planet, so then there would be 8. Where did the solar system come from? From the galaxy. And do you know the name of the galaxy? Milky Way. And where did the galaxy come from? From the universe. Where did the universe come from? And without batting an eyelid, he said, from another dimension. So by now I'm thinking, who's recycling? In India, everything recycles, including souls. Call it reincarnation. So I'm thinking Galileo, Copernicus. Then I said, Krishu, how do you know all this? Because this is what I've been thinking about for 30 years. And he kind of summarized it in less than 2 minutes. He said, it's on my Pokemon.